Hello everyone, welcome back to Text Talking Shop. So, if you follow the video series so far, we've been doing basic electrical tools. Meters, test lights, code readers, things of that nature. And on the topic of multimeters and anything that accepts test leads, good test leads are key to good results, good test results. If you use inexpensive leads, you'll get you'll get bad results. So these are leads I recommend. Fluke, obviously, really good lead. Electronic Specialties make some good leads. Snap-on, um, AES makes some good leads. This is a Cornwall set here. As you can see, though, made by Electronic Specialties. These are Fluke leads. So, Cat 3, 1000 volts. Cat 4, I think, is 600. These are kind of interesting. Also, the wire, it makes a really big difference in my opinion. These are some leads I made myself right here. And you can see that when I pull them out, they have no memory. That's because these are silicone jacketed leads. Instead of the, like, PVC, a lot of cheaper test leads use. These won't get stiff when it gets cold. Now, on the end of your test leads, the opposite end of whatever probes or clips you have on, you have the end that plugs into the meter. These are meters use what's called a banana plug or banana jack, specifically a 4mm banana jack. And there are 3 different kinds, well, styles. You have unshielded, or you can say metal, shielded. I don't know why my autofocus is so bad. And these have a retracting shield. Why that's important is some lead or accessories won't accept a shielded plug. So these are very cool. I forget, these may be AES or Electronic Specialties. But these, believe it's a micro 64 connector, but it has a female banana plug on the other side, which will accept test leads. But you see, if I try and plug the shielded lead in, it won't fit because of the shield. The unshielded test lead will. These are also side and top stackable, and we'll get to that in a moment. What I like is the safety factor of a retractable shield, because one, I can plug it in, no problem, but B, I can stack test leads if I need to, or I can make an extension like this, or whatever the case may be. So that's important. These are Pomona test leads. They're also very good. You may be familiar with these. The wire piercing tips from Pomona. Again, 4mm female banana plug. I even make test lamps with banana plugs to use with my multimeter accessories. But that's a whole nother topic. Getting into this set. Now, I have a whole set of these. These are for what's called front probing. For example, if we have a electrical connector like this, and you need to test it, but you don't want to mess up the probe or the terminals, you take the correct probe and you just slide it over the terminal. You can see it's the female side of this terminal. Oops. It just slides over, and then you can plug whatever you may need into there and test and not damage the connector, which is super cool. So this Cornwell set, I have added some things to it, but this is my go-to set. Again, a nice long set of silicone leads. I have some different probes. Now, there's some small ones like these, which are called back probes. So if you need to test the connector while it's still plugged in, you can go in the back like that and back probe it. See right there? And not damage the connector or the terminal. I have some regular test probes. And there's some long back probes. These are for wire piercing, which I don't like to do because it causes damage to the wire, and if not sealed up, it will cause corrosion. But you can see those pierce through the insulation. And in the bottom, I keep different clamps. These are good if, I'm doing a parasite draw test and need to just leave the meter there and don't want to hold the terminals, or the probes rather. And I have a couple different styles of those, smaller ones and bigger ones. So, as you can see, I went from really neat to really messy really fast. But that is my take on test leads, so we'll go over real quick. Variety of ends, make them interchangeable. Use shielded stackable banana plugs. Or build your own test leads. Good quality, obviously, if I didn't say that already. Make sure you have a good meter. And, yeah, you can never have too many test leads. So, that being said, check out the videos before this. The multimeter video that Princess Jamie did. The code review video that Powerstroke Jude did, and all the others. And check out the videos following this video. Remember, it's a whole series, so there's a lot to learn. Thanks for watching.